your channel messages for the 19th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Aries, this is your channel song. No mountain too high for you to climb. All you have to do is have some climbing faith. Oh yeah. No river's too wide for you to make it across. All you have to do is believe it when you pray, and then you'll see the morning will come and every day. And all of your fears, cast them on me, 'cause I just want you to see I'll be your cloud up in the sky. I'll be your shoulder when you cry. I'll hear your voices when you call. I am your angel. And when all hope is gone, I'm here. No matter how far you are from me, it makes no difference who you are. I am your angel. Aries, I am your angel. So Aries, again, I just want you to see I'll be your cloud up in the sky. I'll be your shoulder when you cry. I'll be your voices when you call. I am your angel. I'm getting someone is an angel. Someone may not be a lover, they may not be in a relationship with you, but I'm getting they're your angel. Maybe that is the nudge you needed to pursue this person. But I'm getting someone's always there when you call, all right? And someone will always be there. I'm getting Sagittarius energy, the angel card. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aries. We got the moon card, so we're dealing with a Pisces, okay? Something about a Pisces feelings towards you, or something about the Pisces being an angel. You think that you're an angel. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aries. We got Hierophant coming up first. So I'm getting Pisces want to offer you marriage. I'm getting a Pisces and I'm getting a Taurus. Someone's very serious about you. Even if them don't have the money for marry you, I'm getting them very, very serious about you. This is the type of woman or man that will save money for marry you in the future. So I'm getting, yeah, I'll be your cloud up in. I'm getting somebody really want to be serving towards you, okay? I'm getting some, I don't know if you know this person or not. The moon card could be that you never met them before. The moon card could be you met them, but they were married when you met them. I'm getting something about a Taurus. The devil card, yeah, someone's married. So I'm getting a Pisces man, he wants you badly. Badly. He may be married. Him want you. No, I don't know if that man want 2 wives. Sweetie, that will never happen. You can get 2 wives, but I couldn't be one. That would never happen. Never. I'm so sorry. Because of my Taurus nature and being that I am neighbors with Capricorn, I am too possessive to share you. You're mad. You're mad. Your blood clot. Me for wake up all, roll over and see you talk to another girl in the house. Bitch! I am too jealous. I am not jealous. I am too jealous. I am not jealous. I am too jealous. I am too possessive. And no. So I'm getting no sharing. No, I feel like someone's like, yes, I'm married. Yes, I know I'm married. Yes, you know I'm married. Yes, I know I can't leave. Stop asking how is my wife. I know how my wife is. She's giving me fucking hell in this marriage. That's why I'm not with her right now. I'm with you. I'm getting, yeah. Somebody married and they want you to break it. They want you to break the oath of being with a married, I was in love with a married man, right? Somebody want your break this out, right? You know, see what the fuck happened to don't make me call Portia. You see what happened? Remember in a Real Housewives, how the girl is there with the man, and then Portia meet the man right in front of the girl, you know. The girl introduced Portia to her husband. And he said, on the same show, the same episode, me can see that Portia look like she did like the guy. And Portia take the girl and fling her. She hold on the girl and jump into the pool with the girl. And I say, fuck her, you're a destiny swap, you're a destiny swap. Portia, your daughter is beautiful, but I'm talking about you, right? So, yeah, me say, Portia, destiny swap with the girl. Because as you meet the man, the same man what she did there with, the Nigerian African man, yeah, remember, it's our friend that introduced her to right? And then the friend divorced him. He left the friend and then him there with Portia. The same day Portia did meet him, Portia hold on upon him wife, him ex-wife, and drag her into the pool. I'ma say you just jump in the water with her. You fuck her, you a destiny swap. Months later, Portia was with the man. Portia ended up had wedding and every single thing. Come fast forward, you see it end. Nothing good comes out of taking up a married man. Cause if him left him wife for you, him gonna left you for another girl. Nothing comes out of it. So me getting you stuck, you're buying. Now, if the woman abuse you, if the woman beat out your blood clot, and you look like you can't get away from the woman, I will fuck you as a married man. I will, because your wife is a living hell. And I believe if you're a woman and your husband is a living hell, and you can't get away from him, fuck on him. That's what I believe. Otherwise, if them just have so-called problems and you can get away and there is going to be a divorce, or the fuck, well, me getting you're not deal with that. That is where you draw the line. You are the hierophant. How are you supposed to be in a one third-party situation with man and for them woman? And you are the fucking pastor who marry off people. Me getting somebody wants you to take part in this. Someone wants you to keep them secrets. You know them married. They know they're married. Them still want to have something with you. Now, I don't know if somebody wife like you, and this is a polyamorous. I don't know if there's a husband and wife or swing, or them like you, or they're okay to welcome you in the relationship as long as you keep them secret. You can't do that either. You're Taurus. Actually, you're actually Aries. But Aries, I'm seeing Taurus and the devil here. That not gonna work. Somebody want you to themselves too badly to share you. So I don't know what the Pisces is gonna do, but I'm getting the devil and the Hierophant. The devil is a divorce. The devil is you have to go face your fears, forget what you want. And the Hierophant is you stay in that marriage that you selected. You selected it, remember? Great. So why should somebody risk them singlehoodness for something you did risk? The Queen of Cups. So you marry one Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. I'm getting that's the woman who's giving you shit. Me getting something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman and a Taurus woman. Maybe you want them both. Me getting one might be lighter skin complexion, one has melanin, a lot of melanin. So maybe you want both sides of the coin, I see. The Sun card. Yeah, there's something about you like the black girl. You like the black skin color, you like the black. I don't know if the Queen of Cups has already had kids. The Queen of Cups not going to have no more kids. But you want to be intimate, you want sex. But me getting the Queen of Cups body might have feel different because she have babies. Now this could also be me getting two different archetypes. Me getting the Queen of Cups. She always happy, she always fun for deal with, she always positive, very nice, very bubbly. The Taurus in some demonic underground occult shit. Me getting that you like. Me getting you like how mysterious somebody is. Like you want to know what to do to make them smile. Instead of you see somebody just smiling. I don't know what this is. But me getting something about two different women and a Pisces. Two different women and a Pisces. Now we have Cancer. See, I used to think this was Pisces and this was Cancer. Apparently this is Pisces and this is Cancer. You can never be too educated or too big to know something, right? So I'm getting Pisces and Cancer. So, okay, so I'm getting something about a pregnancy, sperm meet egg, something about a relationship with two girls. One play the man, one play the woman. I feel like, I don't know who you're with, Aries. I feel like you're with a Taurus. If you're with a Taurus will break every rule except The rule of being with the same sex. That's where the Taurus draw the line. Me getting if you need the Taurus to do anything freaky, or you want the Taurus to be open-minded, they can be. Them can be as religious as well. But me getting where the Taurus morally draw them line is them cannot, for them to sleep with the same sex, that is them total sin that them commit. Them can't feel like a monster in the bedroom, if that's what you want, but them can't the same sex. That's where it have to draw the line. So I don't know if you want one girl who like girls for your wife. The Taurus don't like girls and neither does the Capricorn. Me getting you might have a chance with the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. She might like girls. Now if this is one person, me getting something about your wife is currently pregnant. That's why you're going out and you're looking for a fun time. Your wife is at home or she just have baby. Well, you need to go home, go rub your blood clot pregnant wife foot. But you out here try to look pussy. Why don't you try to raise and speak to your wife's stomach? Why not speak to the baby in your wife's stomach? You tell her, say, you're gonna have fucking gym. No, you're gonna get your dick sucked in a car. There's nothing, I feel, there's no more, I don't feel like a man could display being a garbage more than him cheating on his pregnant wife. You a garbage. I'd never fuck a man knowing that your wife pregnant. Knowing that you have a pregnant girlfriend and you step out on her, whether you not have sex or but you don't feel the same, you don't say fuck it, you'll never get pussy from me. Never. Once me hear say you cheat on a pregnant girl. Never. If you cheat on your wife, that is one thing. You cheat on her when she's pregnant, you a demon. One night stand. Exactly. You have a wife and she's pregnant and you can't fuck her, so you want this other girl. But she that way because you're married. You want the Hierophant to break our rules. Forbidden fruit. You are forbidden, sir. Me say, if Kid Adam and Eve was married in the Garden of Eden, who knows how much thoughts would have fucked it up? I was innocent. Program. And we got passports. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.